Okay then. By no means all clean, but much better. It is Sunday. I got no sleep last night. If I had to guess, I'd probably say it was about 3 or 4 hours last night. So I just got up really early today. I couldn't sleep because of a variety of factors, just noise going on outside, having some anxiety about some stuff, snoring partner next to me, all the things. So I just got up really early and cleaned my kitchen. It's not perfect, but it's better. Something that I don't talk about, I'm actually quite like embarrassed to talk about. Whenever I'm in like a very anxious or very depressive state, that's something that's just super hard for me, is cleaning, like staying on top of the day-to-day cleaning stuff. Now, I will say I'm not like a dirty person. Like I don't leave food sitting out. I don't, walk around the house with my shoes on or anything, but I definitely have laundry baskets that have been sitting there with clean clothes for like weeks. And I was definitely in one of those holes recently. I'm feeling a lot better, so I'm feeling motivated to clean. So I don't say that for anyone to feel bad for me or anything. I'm very, very lucky, blessed, privileged in this season of my life. But I just say that if you are somebody who struggles with that, just so you know that you're not alone. It's something, like I said, I'm quite embarrassed about, but you really shouldn't be. You should try to work with yourself, of course, but you shouldn't be embarrassed. Anywho, I'm getting ready to film a quick video. I think I'm gonna do like a pretty casual Q&A style video, just because, when I wake up really early and I don't know, it's 9 a.m. I have the whole Sunday ahead of me. I might as well make myself useful, right? Yesterday was a really nice Saturday. We just kind of like bopped around, and we actually went to a model home tour, which was fun, but also stressful, but mostly fun. I just have been really trying to allow myself to want things, allow myself to strive for goals. I think one of the problems that I was having sort of earlier in my freelance career was that I felt kind of directionless. Like it was like, okay, I made it to freelance. Like I made it to like the full-time freelance part. Now what? Now what do I do? And I think after you reach that milestone, it's really important to start setting goals. And for me, setting personal goals is really important, because business goals, those are great to reach. And I've reached a lot of milestones in the past couple of years, but it's like, for what? Like, why am I reaching this income goal or reaching this client goal or reaching this, follower goal or whatever? Like, what's the point of it? So having some kinds of personal goals really, really help. And that is something that we're looking to do, in the next little bit. I mean, the market is just nuts right now. Having like personal, like, I don't know what the word is. I refuse to pay a certain amount for a house in Michigan. So I'm kind of trying to wait to see like what the market does, if it gets any better. But I'm going to do this. I have a little story I want to tell you about something else. I need to investigate some things later today to make sure I have the story right. So I'll tell you that later on. Testing audio, testing audio. All right, so I really wasn't planning on doing work today. Sunday, I actually did a good job of taking yesterday off, but since I was up so early and I'm still riding on energy, I guess I'm gonna just start editing that video that I shot, because why not? It sounds like fun, and I really do love editing. So I'll do it until it's not fun anymore, and then I'll continue taking the day off. But before I do that, I am going to peel my avocado seed. So I actually saw this on a video from the brand Not Sorry. They're a local Detroit, they started out with apparel, but they do a lot more things now. And I actually worked with them on their social media strategy. So I love them. They're super sweet people and love their gear. One of their big pillars is sustainability. This is kind of the annoying part though, because I've been doing my nails. I've been doing DIY gel nails, by the way, with this little kit. It's called Le Mini Macaron. Oh my gosh. Oh no, don't break open. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this paper towel, and I just reuse the paper towel I've been using. You simply get the paper towel wet and like wring it out, and then you wrap your seed in the paper towel and you put it in a Ziploc bag. And then allegedly you're supposed to be able to check them in a couple weeks and they should be sprouting. So I'll keep you all updated in my vlogs. Yeah, we'll see how these go in a few weeks. Okay, I'm trying not to be annoyed. Ignore my hair, but I just fell asleep after like editing this video, and Norris wakes me up. He's like walking around next to my head. He's like touching me, like, you know, being nice, like, hey, do you want some coffee? I'm like, I am asleep because I couldn't sleep last night. I gotta put my hair up. And then I wanna tell you guys about this big money mistake I made. Okay, so. Basically, it's not the end of the world. It's okay. Hold on, let me grab my book. So when I found out I made this mistake, and especially realizing my accountant's office was now closed for the next week, which they deserve a break. I understand tax season is chaotic for them. But yeah, so I don't get closure on this for another week. You know, it is what it is. My instinct was to panic and to just be like, I need to fix it right now. I need to spring into action. And I'm reading this book actually. I started reading it yesterday and I like it. It's fun. It's a fun read. I mean, I'm only 50 pages in, not even, like 40 pages in, but I like it so far. And one of the things that she says is this kind of like her mantra. She says, be pragmatic, not dramatic. And it's funny because I had this moment of being pragmatic, not dramatic, before I even read this book. Like there's little things in this book that I feel like I really identify with this writer, like that were very, very similar in a lot of ways, at least from what it seems like. I loved that line. And that's kind of like what I really try to do when I have those moments of like, oh my gosh. And she even says in this book, she says, there's gonna be an accounting error, you know, in your business sometimes that costs you a lot of money. You know, one of your favorite employees is gonna leave, blah, blah, blah. Like there's always gonna be things, and you have two choices. You can freak out about them, work yourself up, blame people, right? I'm not blaming my accountant. Did I expect that they were gonna check and double check my work? I thought so, but I guess I'm not understanding the full scope of, you know, I guess what I need is a bookkeeper, not an accountant. I don't know. But anyway, I could sit there and I could blame people, or I could say, what do we need to do to get this fixed? And also, like, in the grand scheme of things, how big is this mistake really? It is a big mistake. Like I said, I absolutely am working on getting it fixed. I've already sent the email to my accountant. Hopefully they do get back to me before they come back in the office, but either way, in a week's time, we'll be on track to fix it. But also realizing that, like, I'm not gonna go to jail. I'm not gonna go to jail. I'm not gonna lose my business. I'm not gonna have to get rid of any of my employees. I'm not gonna not be able to pay rent next month. Like at the end of the day, it's a mistake. It's a learning experience. I'm dang glad I learned it now, as opposed to, I don't know, a year from now, after that entire revenue stream hadn't been caught and I owed a crap ton, because this particular revenue stream is actually my fastest growing revenue stream. So that would have been a really bad emergency. I'm projecting to make about 10 times in this revenue stream this year as I made in it last year. That would have been a big disaster if I didn't catch it now, right? So you can find these moments of gratitude, you can find these learning moments, and you can just say, you know what, we're taking care of it, calm down. We'll get to phase 2 after we've sent this adjustment or whatever you call it off. Then I'll have a talk with my accountant and figure out if I need an additional service, if they're the company for me. Maybe they're not, maybe they don't offer what I need. Maybe I'm misunderstanding something. Maybe I need to take a course, whatever. The other thing that was funny too is because I was like, okay, clearly I need a bookkeeper because I can't do this myself. I'm screwing this up. So I was looking like how much a bookkeeper what the cost of a bookkeeper was. And at the company, the accountant that I'm going through, for them to do bookkeeping services, it is exactly the salary that I'm paying my new employee. And I took that as a little sign because no, my new employee is not a bookkeeper. But the idea is this new employee is going to take a whole heck of a lot off my plate, so I can actually do my regular bookkeeping and catch these things and match things up with my numbers and truly step into my CEO role. So I took that as a little sign, because if I didn't hire this employee, I would have had to hire a bookkeeper, because clearly I can't do it myself because I'm screwing stuff up. So that's my big money mistake. Take with that what you will. I'm gonna continue reading this book. I actually think I might read a little bit of it right now. I might go out onto the balcony and just sit out there. It looks kind of nice. Oh, I think I'll throw a load of laundry in and then go sit outside for a minute. Norris is home from playing soccer, and we are both doing reel. I mean, it's for my channel, my stuff, but I got picked for this sponsored content because we are engaged. Our wedding is next month, and so we're doing a little reel collaboration, which is completely out of my comfort zone. I don't do reels. I don't like reels personally because they're irritating, and what do you know, we're irritated, but it's cool. It's cool. We're gonna make it work. I really hate shooting on phones. Like, this is why I don't like reels. I mean, I guess I could do it on my camera, huh?
Yeah, but that's a whole extra step.
Yeah, it's like so much more work to then transfer.
We're shooting a reel. That's why I have a blazer on with pajama pants.
We're shooting some SponCon. Yeah, but try to make it like cute, you know, like try to make, like if you can do like that so it shows your watch so it looks more formal.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, we can do a few takes. Just going with the claw. Norris legitimately parked in the street. He didn't even try to straighten out. I get so embarrassed. Do you guys get embarrassed when this happens? Somebody left a parking spot, so I just took it. Way less anxiety. I can actually close out the vlog now properly. Okay, so what I was trying to say is we are getting pizza. This is my first pizza in probably like 3 weeks. I've been eating super healthy. Our wedding is soon. I'm not saying the date for a lot of reasons, mainly because, you know, things are so unpredictable, but also just for privacy sakes. But our wedding is very soon, so I've been trying to eat healthy and, you know, just make sure I look good in my dress. And so this is the first time I've had pizza in like weeks, and I think it's gonna be the last time before the wedding as well. And then I'm going to watch the American Country Music Awards tonight and just try to get some rest since I didn't really sleep last night. And I have a really big week next week, so definitely stay tuned for the next vlog, the next week in my business vlog. I have some exciting news to share, and I will definitely take you along for that. So thanks for watching today's vlog, and have a great day. Pizza time.